Alright, so today I'll be showing you some of the different parent graphs and how to graph their transitions. So right here we have the absolute value graph, which kind of is just like a V, and here we have the cubic graph, and it's kind of going up, down there, anyway. And here we have the quadratic graph, and it's just a parabola, kind of a U shape. Here we have the square root graph. It's just kind of at 0, 0 going up, keeps going. And here we have the reciprocal graph, and it's got these two little things, and these are never going to go past the x-axis. They're going on forever and ever. So, our first change is going to be y equals the absolute value of x plus 3. So, we're going to take the plus 3, and it's going to mean we're going to shift this point 3 spaces to the left. So it's actually opposite of positive. You're going to switch it to the negative side. So 1, 2, 3, that's going to be right there. And that's our new graph. Now, here we have the cubic graph. And we are going to use this equation to change it. So the plus 3 means we're going up 3, and the half means we're multiplying our x values by half. So it's going to end up kind of shrinking it in. So we have our middle point's going to be right here now, our vertex, and these points are going to, you can plug in points, and it's going to be shrinking, so by a half. So the previous ones were just 1 and 1, or 1 negative 1. So that's just gonna look like right in between there, kind of half, just like that. Okay, for our third graph, we're gonna use this equation. So, that is going to be, that means that it's going to be, the x value is going to be cut in half, and they're going to be compressing in. So, here's our original parabola, and we're just going to keep the same vertex, but so this one, it was 1 and then 1, so it was like that. And now these are going to be cut in half, and they're going to be put at half and half. And you're going to have a little shrinking parabola. Okay. So for this one, similar to the absolute value graph, our equation is going to be so like this. We're gonna imagine that as a positive kind of, and we're gonna switch it. We're going to switch it from the vertex from here all the way over here on the positive side, and it's going to be going up like that. Now for our last graph, that means we're going to be multiplying our x values by, or y values by 2. So what this will end up looking like is this one's going to be going up 2, and this one's going to be going down 2. So now we have one that looks more like this. So, any questions? I'm hearing none. All right, we're over.